going to continue on with our Valentine's Day DIYs because this is the season for love and it's all about hearts. So that's what we're going to do today, hearts. So today we are going to use this acrylic box. I got that from Michael's. This cylinder, Amazon. This I got from Amazon. This is just a round cylinder. It's old. This drawer pull is heart shaped. I got it from Amazon. I got these little hearts from Dollar Tree. I'm reusing those. And we're going to use our crushed diamonds. We got silver, clear, and pink. We're also going to use some pink and silver diamond wrap. Okay, you all. So the first thing we're going to do, and we're going to also use this this little container, whatever it is, to empty our diamonds into our cylinder. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to glue the cylinder to the disc. And I'm trying to center it as well as I can. Y'all know how that goes. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take the cylinder and we're going to first, let's put our diamonds in here, y'all. I'm going crazy. Doing things backwards today. Okay, Glam Fam, so we went on ahead and let it dry. So the next thing we're going to do is take our cute little hearts and we're going to glue them on the base of the bottom of the, the round, I'm a loss for words, the disc, the clear disc. In this next DIY, we're going to do another heart. And what I did was I just traced this heart, and I'm going to cut it out. Y'all, I got a little boo-boo here, but I know that I could probably take this or lose or whatever, but I'm really not bothered by it. But you know, I'm not really good at doing this simply, so you know, I'll straighten this out by cutting it and then straighten it out like that. But anyway, this is how the box should look. You know, once it's done up, then we're gonna put the knob on here. Try to get it in the middle as much as I can, y'all. So actually, this is gonna be like a box where I can keep stuff in. I will show you what I'm going to keep in it later, but I'm going to take the time to straighten this part out, get it straightened and everything, and then I'm going to put it on this way. I'm going to show y'all where it's going to go. How about that? The next DIY we're going to do is this little box. Now, this little box is going to be done. I'm sorry about the camera, y'all. I'm tired, y'all. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning right now. And I had to go ahead and get this video out because I have to go to work. So I'm going to do this one the same way. Hopefully I won't have as much problems as I had. And this is definitely not even. But I'm just going to make it go like around the bottom of it like I did the other one. Sorry about that. Y'all, I'm so tired, I swear to God. And I'm not editing because I'm serious, like what happens when you do DIYs. Everything is not always perfect, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put a little piece here so that it can cover. I'll do that. Well, I can go ahead and put it now. So basically, I'm gonna go around the edges of this box the same way that I did the other box, with like 2 rows of the bling wrap or the diamond wrap. So I don't want to be repetitive, so I'm not going to do this on camera. I'll come back when I'm completely done with it. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how the heart-shaped boxes turned out. I think they are absolutely beautiful. I love my pink. And the candy containers, that's what I made them out of. I decided that I was going to go ahead and put candy in it. So it is perfect for that. Okay, Glam Fam, so I really hope you all like this DIY. If you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.